Thank you, thank you. Good evening. As we all know, we're here to celebrate the Essence Band tonight. But before we bring them up, we have a special request. This man traveled a long way because he's a fan of the Essence Band. He's also the creator of the Essence Band song. Y'all keep them round of applause going and give it up for the one, the only, IKE IZZLE.
Tune in to the Essence Band, get ready for a real good time. When you groove with the Essence Band, you can chill and feel the vibe. It's time for the Essence Band, get ready for the premiere. Give it up for the Essence Band, put your hands together and cheer.
Good evening, ladies and gents, you're in for a treat. I see you're ready cause the beat got you tapping your feet. Come on in and vibe to the music. The Essence Band is gonna show you how they do it. They get right to it and they take requests, so the song that you like might be the one they sing next. Production is tight and performances are a plus. They go all out when they entertain us. It's a party soon as they hit the stage. They're sharp like a blade, blowing up like hand grenades. All across the globe, they're the talk of households. You want good streams? Yeah, they got those. They're good for the soul and they're what the world needs. What they're doing brings healing and peace. Tough and dark days, all have to cease. The Essence Band makes the joy factor increase.
Tune in to the Essence Band, get ready for a real good time.
A real good time.
When you groove with the Essence Band, you can chill and feel the vibe.
Feel the vibe.
It's time for the Essence Band, get ready for the premiere.
The premiere.
Give it up for the Essence Band, put your hands together and cheer.
Put your hands together and give it up for them. If you stream them live, you never suffer from boredom. Turn the system up and vibe to the tunes. I can dig their channel cause it has a smooth groove. They get you out your seat and make you wanna move. They can get it rocking with whatever song they choose. Lord Stella, Christy, and Jean are superstars. Mitch is the mastermind like the Wizard of Oz. They bring it all together and form like Voltron. If you don't like it, then you're a moron. I haven't seen something as good in so long. They take you on a ride, strap in and hold on. When you see the lights and the camera start rolling, they show stage presence and they know how to control it. If you wanna get with them, step your game up. They're a sensation, that's why they came up.
Tune in to the Essence Band, get ready for a real good time.
A real good time.
When you groove with the Essence Band, you can chill and feel the vibe.
Feel the vibe.
It's time for the Essence Band, get ready for the premiere.
It's the premiere.
Give it up for the Essence Band, put your hands together and cheer. Tune in to the Essence Band, get ready for a real good time.
A real good time.
When you groove with the Essence Band, you can chill and feel the vibe.
Feel the vibe.
It's time for the Essence Band, get ready for the premiere.
It's the premiere.
Give it up for the Essence Band, put your hands together and cheer.
Yeah, I like that. Y'all give it up one more time for IKE IZZLE performing the Essence Band song. And we can't move further without giving a shout out to the ones who inspired the song. That's Christy, Jean, Lord Stella, and my man Mitch. Together, they are the Essence Band. Give it up for them, ladies and gentlemen.
This is the legend right here. MJ Recording Studios production, Essence Band. I need y'all to know, Mitch is the masterpiece behind the success of the Essence Band. Mitch he got a natural gift and a natural talent. You know what I mean? And yo, they're just some beautiful people, man. So
together they are the Essence Band. Give it up for them, ladies and gentlemen.